Shining Legends.
Open that one.
So while you open that one up,
Let me see. No. Whoa, that's so. Whoa, look how many cards there are. Whoa. Look how many cards there are. Whoa.
alright, let's see what's inside there.
Look how many cards it's.
Whoa,
Yeah.
look at all that stuff in there. All the packs are in there. And some dice.
Dices and something.
Oh, that's the lid to the box. That's cool. Okay, let's put it. We got how many packs in there? Ooh.
Ooh, that's a lot of Pokemon cards. All for me.
Oh, we got our energies right here. Now that we have sleeves.
These are all for me.
Mm-hmm.
Tell your mom already better than you.
And then here's all the packs. We're gonna put the packs right there. Let's open up these Shining Legends. Alright. So let's look at them.
Ooh,
Be careful. Just stand up, buddy.
okay. This is gonna be. Ooh. You didn't even see them. What's that?
Oh, the battery's going dead. What the heck do we get?
No, it's not. Oh, yeah, it's close. The battery's
I might have to get a new battery.
Ooh, that's regular Pikachu. I got Pikachu. I got Pikachu. That's why, did you see I got Pikachu?
Mm-hmm.
I have Detective Pikachu and Pikachu now.
That's cool. Maybe I have to get another battery.
You should go get it right now, maybe. But okay, we can still go. Let me see Pikachu. Where's the Pikachu? Pikachu. Ooh. Pikachu.
Why is it not focusing? I have to hurry so that it doesn't die. And that's all for the Shining Legends.
No, I can't
Right.
get the big pack.
Okay, now it's time to get the big box out.
We're gonna see those later.
Okay.
We're gonna see the big ones over there.
Here.
Ooh, that's how. How about we
Alright.
both open them up?
You think you can do it?
Yeah.
No, don't use your teeth. You shouldn't use your teeth. You're gonna hurt your teeth.
Jenna. Oh no, I didn't. I'm pretty sure I did. Ooh.
Let's see.
Like this.
Alright, you open that one up. Okay.
I'm gonna open up another one now.
It doesn't want to focus.
Won't focus. We got the same thing from me last. Got this again. I got this again. Ooh.
Let's see.
I got pretty good ones from this. The same thing from last time. It's kind of easy. Open up another one.
Tapu Bulu holographic. That's a good one.
Ooh, that's good.
We'll show all the codes after at the end of the video. Here.
That's one hard.
Oh, just open them up like this.
Oh,
Pull them.
well. That's hard.
Let's see, 1, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's even harder. Get these one out. Open this one. Okay. We're gonna show these. I open up this, but after you're done showing those ones. It's almost a long one. Ooh, oh mine. Hee hee hee. Okay. Whoa!
Dang, Lost Blast 190. Pretty strong.
That's good. I'm getting good Pokemons.
1, 2. Oh, I hope we got something good. Maybe someone will leave a comment and let us know if we got anything good. Because we don't know anything about Pokemon cards.
Maybe I don't know that much. Open up this one. Okay.
How many more do we have left?
This is our last two.
Last 2, that's it? Well, shouldn't bite them, you could damage them maybe.
Yeah, but I'm not biting them.
I think this one's going to be a good one. I hope it's a GX.
Okay, there we go. Last one.
Oh, Shuckle GX.
Wow,
Pretty
that's
weak.
good.
Okay, so we got a new battery in here. See what we get.
Ooh, that's pretty good. Not bad, but pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
And unknown regular.
That's not that.
Alright, that's our last one. Where's our, let's show all our code cards.
Oh, yeah, where are they?
Let's see.
Oh, one right here. Wait, I won't be. Wait, can't focus.
Is there any more code cards
You
over
said I
there?
put it a little longer. You can't really see it for that long.
Let's see.
No more. Okay, we're gonna go see. Go. And show. Oh yeah, and let's show them this to you. Remember. Oh, it's getting on fire. Mewtwo.
Alright, so really the only thing we got good was that Shuckle GX and maybe this Tapu Bulu Hollow. Alright everybody, thanks for checking out the video.
Still blurry. Oh.
You guys have a good one.
Did you show them this again?
Oh yeah, you want to see the Mewtwo?
The Mewtwo that it's still focusing. Oh, it's taking a long time. Oh, there we go.
Right on. Alright, so we're going to do a recap. We got Tapu Bulu Hollow, Promo Mewtwo from Shining Legends, Palkia Hollow, the Shuckle GX, Reshiram Hollow, Chandelure Reverse Hollow, and the Yveltal Hollow.